Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been working a little bit over a year on this Mustang GT, this 96 GT, and I put a lot of work into it. And I was thinking about maybe 30 minutes an hour ago, what are the sensors that I have not changed that could cause this hesitation, this problem? And I've changed everything except for the mass airflow sensor. I just recently cleaned it, and that cleaned up the idle a little bit in the response. I still think it needs a mass airflow sensor. Now, the sensors I haven't changed, I was thinking about, would be the camshaft position sensor and the crankshaft position sensor. And hardly anybody ever changes those. So I'm going to look and see if I have those here that I can just change out some different ones and see how the car acts. You know, it might take away my problem. And these are two sensors that you hardly ever think about when you're having issues like this. So I'm going to look into those sensors today, and I want to talk about it and show you. So you guys like, subscribe, and share, and as always, keep on dreaming.